Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the basic seam types. Okay guys, let's start to learn about channel seam. The channel seam is two lap seams together which are face to face each other. The constructions. The first fabric is the base. Fold the second fabric and spare 1 to 1.5 cm seam allowance, sew the stitching line, and then finish the seam with overlooking. Do the same steps to another lap. How to make it? Prepare 3 pieces of fabrics. First fabric with right side on top as a fabric base. Put the second fabric on top of the first right side together. Open and fold the second fabric like this. So the folding distance to the seam allowance edge is about 2 cm. And then sew in the stitch lines about ½ cm from the folding line. Here is the first lap seam, and then we install the second lap seam. Just do the same steps as the first lap. The distance between the two lap seams is depend on the design. In this sample, have no distance between it. Here is the right side with 2 lap seams. The wrong side. Cut away the leftover fabric on base, so it will be only 1 cm seam allowance each side. Finish the seam allowance with overlooking for both sides. Here is the right side of channel seam, which is consists 2 lap seams and 1 base. The wrong side with the seam allowance overlock in the both sides. With these basic seam types, we can easily start our sewing projects. We will discuss about more advanced seam types in the next video. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more video, and if you like this video, give me thumbs up.